Warren Buffett's money-making secrets. Imagine this. You have the chance to learn from one of the greatest investors of all time. A man who turned a small sum of money into billions, simply by understanding a few timeless principles. That man is Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett has mastered the art of investing over decades. But what are his secrets? What money-making skills does he use to build his fortune? Let's dive into 5 key principles that Buffett follows to grow his wealth. The power of compounding. Warren Buffett's first secret? The magic of compounding. Compounding is like planting a tree that keeps growing and growing, year after year. When Buffett started investing at just 11 years old, he understood that the earlier you start, the longer your money has to grow. Buffett often says that my wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest. It's about letting your money make money, and then letting that money make even more money. Start investing early, be patient, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. That's how small sums turn into fortunes. Investing in what you understand. Buffett's next rule is simple: know what you're buying. He calls it his circle of competence. This means investing only in businesses you understand, the ones where you truly get how they make money. Think of it this way: Buffett doesn't chase trends or invest in the latest fads. Instead, he chooses companies like Coca-Cola and Geico, businesses he understands and believes will last for decades. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing, he says. By sticking to what you know, you can make smarter, more confident investment decisions. Value investing. Now, let's talk about value investing, Buffett's favorite strategy. He looks for companies that are undervalued by the market, meaning their stock price is less than what the company is actually worth. He's hunting for bargains, great businesses at discounted prices. Price is what you pay, value is what you get, he says. It's about buying stocks that are on sale and holding them until the market recognizes their true worth. By focusing on value, not hype, Buffett avoids the noise and invests in what's real. Focus on long-term growth. Buffett doesn't jump in and out of stocks. His approach is all about the long game. He looks for businesses he can hold forever. Why? Because he knows that real wealth is built over time, not overnight. He once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." By keeping his focus on the long term, Buffett avoids the pitfalls of market swings and instead lets his investments grow steadily over time. Patience is key. Buffett's strategy is proof that slow and steady wins the race. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Finally, Buffett believes in the power of lifelong learning. He reads up to 500 pages a day, constantly feeding his mind with knowledge and ideas. He says, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Whether it's reading financial reports, books, or newspapers, Buffett stays ahead by always staying informed. Investing in yourself is the most valuable investment you can make. So there you have it, 5 timeless money-making skills from Warren Buffett: compounding, investing in what you understand, value investing, focusing on long-term growth, and continuous learning. Which of these principles do you find most inspiring? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content on investing and personal finance. See you next time.